If you're a content creator and you are not using ChatGPT, then you are missing out. What if I told you that you can actually use ChatGPT to get more views on your content? Yes, this simple AI prompt that I'm going to show you right now will help you to get more views and more engagement on your content. So whether you are a YouTube content creator, you're a TikTok content creator, or Instagram or Facebook, you can actually use this same strategy that I use to get more views on your content. It is very, very easy and simple. So all you have to do is log in straight to your ChatGPT. Now, before we dive into the ChatGPT dashboard, first of all, we are going to analyze one of my recent videos to see the effect of this AI optimization that I'm talking about. So here we have here the overview. This is the overview, and this video actually got 2.5k views, which is 2,500 views. And when you scroll down here, we are going to find the audience retention, which I explained to you before, that the audience retention is how much time that people are spending on that particular content. So you can see that the average view duration is around 1 to 44, 1 minute 44 seconds, which is around 17% retention. And also 50% of the viewers are still watching around the 30 seconds mark. So this is a very good impression. So let's check out the reach. So this video actually got 29.3, that is 29.3k impression, and that is cool, which is 29,300 impressions. So when you scroll down, you'll be able to see how viewers are able to find this video, and that is the effect of the AI optimization. So most of them comes from the YouTube search. Some of them came from suggested video, which is YouTube recommending your videos. The YouTube search is more like the from the title to the tags to the description. These are where this is coming from the YouTube search engine. Meanwhile, the suggested videos is coming from the YouTube recommendations, and the external and the channel pages are like other sites. Maybe you share the link on WhatsApp, or one of the subscribers share the link. Those are external factors that contribute to the impression. And when we take a look at the engagement right here, it has 73.7 watch time. The video itself is not really long, but it's not bad. What we have here is not really bad, and the average watch time is 1 minute 44 seconds. So that's really cool. And then let's go straight to the audience. So this video was able to get at least 8 subscribers from this particular video. And then when we go to the revenue, you can see that even though the video doesn't have much views, but the what we call it, the RPM, which is how much YouTube pays you, is quite good, which is around $2.16 for 1,000 views. And the advertisers are willing to pay $7.43 for this type of videos. So that means if the advertisers pay YouTube $7.43, then YouTube also will pay the content creator $2.16 for 1,000 views on this video. And that is why with 2.5 thousand views, you are able to get what you call it, $5.41 per 2,500 views. This is how the interface is going to look like, and all we have to do is to command the ChatGPT. So I'm going to show you the simple command that you are going to use for the ChatGPT. First of all, we are going to tell the ChatGPT, let me go ahead and type it in. I want you to think like a like a YouTube coach and a channel, I hope I'm correct, is a channel strategist here. So we are basically asking the chat GPT to think like a YouTube coach and a channel strategist. In this way, you are actually programming your AI to think the way you want it to think. Because as you know, the AI has a broad knowledge. But with this simple prompt, you are actually programming the AI's knowledge to be able to think the way that you want it to think and to be able to give you the result that you want. So once you have typed in this, then we are going to click enter. So when you click enter, let us go through it. So absolutely, this is the result. Absolutely, you are speaking to your new YouTube coach and channel strategist now. Whether you are just starting out or you are trying to grow an existing channel, I will help you with the following details. So let's go through it. Now, the chat GPT says, first of all, I will help you with the channel strategy, which is the niche selection, the audience targeting, the branding and content pillars. And also for the content creation, I'll be able to help you with the video ideas, the titles, the thumbnail, the scripting and editing flow, and also the growth tactics. The chat GPT is going to help you with the SEO algorithm triggers, watch time optimization, click-through rate, which is the CTR improvements, short and long form community engagement, and all these things is what the chat GPT is going to do for you. And also the monetization process, as well as understanding the YouTube analytics. Now, once we have this here, the next prompt that we are going to um, program for the chat GPT is this. First of all, you are going to take a screenshot of your YouTube channel. I know most of you don't know about this, but it works all the time. You take a screenshot of your channel and then you upload it right there. And then we are going to tell the chat GPT that this is my channel. So with this prompt right now, you are actually telling the chat GPT that this is my channel. Lately, my views has dropped and I'm trying to figure out how to grow again. Can you help me with some ideas that fit my niche? I will also need help with titles, content ideas, tags, and thumbnails. Okay. My goal is to increase the views, get more subscribers, and build a stable audience retention. So now you are going to send it, and then the chat GPT is going to analyze um, your channel screenshots that you have sent, and it is going to tell you exactly how your channel is performing, what are the things that you need to fix, the things that you need to position well, and all of that. And at the end of the day, it is also going to help you out with ideas, as you can see right here, the type of titles that you need to post that will help you to get more views. And this is exactly how to use the chat GPT to get more views on your content. I'll be dropping more videos on this to help you to grow your channel or your TikTok account.